National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, NABARD, organizes state credit seminar on high-tech agriculture with an aim to double the income of farmers. And amid tight security, counting of votes for 70-member Delhi Assembly election begins. Aam Aadmi Party is leading in 57 seats, while BJP is ahead in 30. Good afternoon. Welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News, and I'm Premi Thangcham, bringing you the top stories. NABARD organized a state credit seminar on high-tech agriculture with an aim to double farmers' income at Hotel Classic Grand today. An annual credit plan entitled State Focus Paper for 2020-21 was also released on the occasion. Speaking at the event, Chief Secretary Dr. J. Suresh Babu disclosed that the bank will sanction 2,376 crore rupees for the new financial year 2020-2021 to enhance the income of farmers of the state, asserting that following successful completion of the Laitabi project, he declared that Thoubal Dam, which will provide irrigation water to agricultural fields measuring around 25 hectares, will be commissioned within this year. Highlighting the shortage of agricultural lands in the state, Dr. J. Suresh Babu propounded to farmers to focus on horticulture, piggery and fishery farming to enhance the economy. He added, the bank under Rural Infrastructure Development Fund is striving to enhance and develop roads, canals and construct proper Anganwadi centers and health sectors of the villages in the state. He appealed stakeholders to cooperate in successful implementation of state credit plan initiated by the bank. RBI General Manager Mary Guite, CAU Vice Chancellor Dr. M. Premjit, SBI Guwahati General Manager Dig Manu Gupta attended the event.
Banks are not deprived of money, as I understand. After demonetization, the public money has made mandatorily come back into the banks because the 500,000 notes were derecognized. So after the money came to the bank, the entire public savings is with the banks. Now subsequently, banks have put so much of restriction on drawing the cash. So the banks should be holding enough cash to mobilize lending, both in primary and secondary sectors. So the efforts that we should make in Manipur should primarily focus on how we'll be able to take forward. You see, as far as the government is concerned, we are trying our best to improve the irrigation potential in the state. Banks are not.
Lead District Manager of Pradhan Mantri Kishan Scheme and Nimai said that only 25,156 beneficiaries out of the total 1,73,789 beneficiaries of the state under Pradhan Mantri Kishan Scheme has collected their Kisan credit card. He urged the remaining beneficiaries to collect their cards to obtain benefits of the scheme at the earliest. Speaking to media at Chingmairong today, Nimai said a card which earlier provided income support only to agricultural farmers is now providing the same benefits to the livestock farmers as well, asserting that although the scheme was launched on February 2019 with an aim to double farmers' income, he lamented that farmers are yet to avail benefits of the scheme. He urged the farmers to collect their KCC cards from nearby banks at the earliest.
Sigi Kisan, Pradhan Mantri Kisan, Sigi Makhada, beneficiary Fangrava, benefit Fangrava, beneficiary Singdo, Adugi, Lemo River Singdo, Akogi Preski Tonga, Coin request of Yavadi, Moina Masamasagi, account labor bank branching Sapiu, Aduga, Akogi Kanosi, KCC loan, the application form, Yam Samba application form later, Masiki forms a Philip Toroga, Akogi Masana labor, Masamasana labor bank. Singi Adulaga loan Jiloba Yarani. A Sinako Breski Tonga Quenagasi announced of Jeris.
BJP Imphal West District observed the 52nd death anniversary of forerunner of Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, Pandit Dindayal Upadhyaya at Dera Bazar today. The 25th death anniversary of the Shahid Samurai Latpa Madhu Mangol, who introduced BJP party in Manipur, was also held on the occasion. Attendees, including many senior leaders of BJP Manipur Pradesh, paid floral tributes to the portrait of the two great leaders at the event. Speaking at the event, General Secretary of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Nongthombam Nimbus said a BJP party was established based on the concept of Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay's integral humanity. He asserted that the event was held in commemoration of the prodigious roles taken by the two eminent leaders for the welfare of the state and nation. Shahid Madhumangol Foundation Imphal also observed the 25th death anniversary of Samurai Latpam Madhumangol Sharma.
Bharatiya Janata Party si sagatnaba honnabada hairiba akhoi basic philosophy amasung mahaki principle singsi yam darkar oi aduna adungba basic philosophy integral humanism puthokpiramba Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay na mahangna Bharat ki oina mahangna tawbiramba aduga Bharat basi singi damakta khanbiramba singdu akhoina madu ningjengjaba aduga Manipur da party asi sagatpada achauba daita loge na ina thamjagiba aiga madungol makhoina sangjalamba makhoina khanjaramba makhoigi manglan makhoina pamjaramba singdu Bharatiya Janata Party ki karmi oiriba akoina mangphang nahannaba honaba aduga makhoigi foot step singduda akoina manglomda sangjanaba palan se koi pangthokjabni.
Oath-taking ceremony of the newly elected office bearers of the 6th Executive Council 2020-21 of Bengal Students Organization PSO Manipur was held today. The event was held at Manipur Press Club in Major Khul. Muhammad Jishan was elected as the new president, while YM Shahrukh Khan and Asif Khan were elected as the new vice presidents and Muhammad Waris Khan as the new general secretary. The organization also released its new action plan for 2020-2021 on the occasion. The plan includes to organize academic campaigns in collaboration with the various civil society organizations to produce efficient students and to curb drug menace in the state. On that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on counting of votes for 70-member Delhi Assembly elections, which begin this morning. We'll be right back. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Afternoon News. Counting of votes for 70-member Delhi Assembly elections begin amid tight security since 8 this evening. The Aam Aadmi Party appears to be heading back to power in Delhi. The party is leading in 57 seats, while BJP is ahead in 13. The counting centers are located across 11 districts, including at CWG Sports Complex in East Delhi, NSIT Dwarka in West Delhi, Mirabai Institute of Technology, and GP Pant Institute of Technology in South East Delhi. Sir C.V. Raman ITI, Dhirpur in Central Delhi, and Rajiv Gandhi Stadium in Bhawana in North Delhi. It may be recalled that Delhi Assembly election was held on February 8. In sport news, Hero I-League match between Heroic FC and Indian Arrows is underway at Imphal's Kuman Lampak main stadium since 2 this afternoon. In the second league match, Aizawl FC will play against Trau at Aizawl's Rajiv Gandhi Stadium tonight at 7. And in Indian Super League, ISL 2019-2020 match between Northeast United and Jamshedpur FC resulted in 3-3 draws at Guwahati's Indira Gandhi Stadium yesterday. For Northeast United, Federico Gallego, Random Tlang and Jose David Ludo netted 1 goal each at 4th, 77 and 88 minute of the match. For Jamshedpur FC, David Grandi, Noe Acosta and Memo scored 1 goal each at 45 plus 1 minute, 82nd and 85th minute. Goa FC will play against Mumbai City FC in the league match of the tournament tomorrow. Indian Bodybuilding and Fitness Federation Manipur unit accorded a warm welcome to Manipuri team who participated at 58 Junior Mr. India at Imphal Birtikendrujit Airport today. It may be mentioned that the competition was held at Baleshwar in Orissa from February 8 to 9. Altogether, 21 bodybuilders from the state took part in the competition. AK Sanjoy bagged 5th position in 55 category While Modur Maringna bagged the 4th position in 60 kg category, El Prem Chandras clinched 5th position in 65 kg category. Ayekpam Jagadish bagged a bronze medal at 70 kg category, while Chandam Rishikanta and Jameshin bagged 1 bronze medal and 5th position respectively in 80 kg category of the competition. Tombi as the team coach and chief engineer PWD and Noren as team manager led the team. 18 Assam Rifles along with Sports Authority of India will conduct selection trials for archery, fencing and athletic sports at Shillong in March for admission from class 6 to 9. 18 Assam Rifles in a press release informed that the new academic session will start from April 1st, 2020. Interested individuals may contact 18 Assam Rifles for more details. Before we conclude, let's take a look at headlines once again. National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, NABARD, organizes state credit seminar on high-tech agriculture with an aim to double the income of farmers. And amid tight security, counting of votes for 70-member Delhi Assembly elections begins. Aam Aadmi Party is leading in 57 seats, while BJP is ahead in 30.